In this video I'm going to show you how to do the unboxing and a complete setup of your Canon Pixma G620 Mega Tank photo printer. This printer has a 6 ink bottles. We have to fill all the 6 ink chambers and it is very good for the printing photos. You can see it can print up to 3800 photos. This printer is an all-in-one printer. You can do the wireless printing and scanning. It also can do the copy. You can connect it with the Wi-Fi network and your different devices over the Wi-Fi. It is compatible with the Windows, Mac and smartphone. Let's do the unboxing. Let's see what's inside the box. So we get power cable, here we have the manual, and this side we have all the ink bottles. So these are the 6 ink bottles and all are different color. And we also get 2 print heads. Take the printer out of this packet, remove the protective tape, lift this section up and remove the protective tape from inside. Now we can close it. So those are the ink bottles and the print heads, manual and the power cable. So plug in the power cable and start the printer. Plug it in at the back of the printer, so that goes here. Press the power button and switch on your printer. Select your language and press OK. Confirm it. Next step is to install the print heads and fill the ink tank. Lift this section. We have to install the print heads in this section. Lift this lock from here and then you can lift it up. So it's easy. You just have to push the blue button up and then you can lift the whole section. We have set of 2 print heads, right and left. So take the first one, remove the seal, also remove this. So that is the R. So place it under the R. So just slide it in and it will settle itself. Open the left, remove the seal, also remove the front. So that goes to the L, that means left. Slide it in. Once you are ready, press it down until you hear a lock sound. So once we install the print heads, you have to lock this section. Next step is to fill the ink tank. So we can start from the yellow. Open the ink bottle, place it here and press it down. You can shake it a little bit and take it out. Close it. Go to the neck. Make sure you match the alphabets and the color. Go to the next. Fill it in. So that's the red. Go to the right side. Here we have to fill in the gray and the black. So this one is black. Close it and go to the last. This is the gray. So there are only 2 ink bottles are extra, that is gray color and red color. Take it out. Close it. We just installed the print heads here and we also filled in the ink tank. Make sure print head is locked and these buttons are pressed down on the both side. Lift this section up, it will close. Now go to the screen. Just confirm that the ink tanks are filled in and press OK. Next step is to do the alignment. Before that we have to load the paper. Paper tray is at the rear of this printer, so you can just push it out, adjust the size. So I'm just going to place the letter size. On the main screen, click yes for the print head alignment. So it's going to take 2 papers, that's okay. It's going to take around 9 minutes for that. Click yes if you want to download the new firmware. Setup is complete and press OK. To connect to a computer or your smartphone, press OK again. You will see the main screen of your printer and we can start using it for copy. Next step is to do the wireless setup. We are going to connect it with the home or office Wi-Fi network. Click on the setting icon. It will show up the setup mode, Wi-Fi setup. Press OK. Easy wireless connect, manual connect. Press OK. It displays the list of Wi-Fi networks. You can scroll ahead and select your Wi-Fi. Press it again to enter the password of the Wi-Fi. To select the alphabets, numbers and digits, you have to press the setting icon. Once you press it, it will take you to numbers, special character, lower character, uppercase. So let's use it. Press OK to apply. If you want to enter number, go here, select a number and then press OK again. Once you enter the complete password, to apply the password, press and hold the OK button and release it. Now click on the yes. Printer is connected, press OK. Now click on the setting icon. It will take you to the main screen where you can see the signal on the top. I'm going to install this printer in my smartphone. You can also install in a laptop or MacBook. If you want to know how to install in laptop, MacBook, you can watch my video. For the smartphone, I'm just going to use the iPhone. You can also use the Android phone for that. Go to the Canon Print App. You can download this app from the App Store. In this app, we have to add the printer. So click on the Add switch. Click on the Register Printer. Wait for your printer to show up. Select Canon G620 series. Click on the Close. You can start printing photos now, or you can close this window. Close next window. We can see our Canon G620 series printer on the top, and you have the option to print, scan and start photo printing. For example, to print a document, I can just go to the document section, select any document, click next, go to the change settings, select print the paper that is set up to the printer. So that's easy, and click on the print icon. For scanning, we can simply open the scanner lid, place the page you want to scan facing down, go to the app screen, click on the scan icon, click on the scan. Scan is transferred. If you want to add more pages, you can just click on the scan again after adding a new page. Once you are finished, click on the exit, select this icon, use it as a JPEG or PDF, save to files, or if you want to save it to any other location, you can do that. So that's the wireless printing and scanning with this printer. If you want to do the copy, that's easy. You just have to place a page for the copy. Go to the printer control panel. For copy, click on the copy icon. And if you just want to increase the number of copies, you can select from here 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Once you are ready for the copy, you can click on the color or black button and it will start the copy. That's the complete setup of the printer. We just installed the print heads and we filled in the ink tank. Then we connected this printer with the wireless network of your home or office. And then we added this printer in a smartphone for wireless printing and scanning. If you want to print a lot of photos, you can start printing now. If you want to know how to print photos with better print quality, you can watch my video on that. Thanks for watching.